Hello, everybody. This week we're going to deal with binary arithmetic. We're going to talk about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of binary numbers. Okay, first, this lesson is a lesson number 5 in your text. Page number is 45 to 54. So after this listening to this one, you're gonna do the homework for this week assignment, and I will post on Canvas. All right, let's talk about addition of binary number first. We have to know the basic binary addition rule. So I'm gonna start with adding the 0 and 0. I'm gonna add 0 and 1. 1 and 1, and 1, 1, and 1. Add this together. Okay. So 0 and 0 is 0. As you can see, nothing, add to nothing is nothing. And 0 and 1 is 1. And 1 and 1 is in decimal number is 1 and 1 equal 2, but in binary 1 and 1 equal 1, 0. All right, and 1 and 1 and 1 in decimal equal 3, but in binary equal 1, 1. Okay, so make sure that when you add the binary numbers, you got to follow this rule. Okay, let's look at a couple examples, and we're gonna do some addition here. So if I can I move to two numbers. For example, if you want to add the binary numbers 1001110 and 11101, let's line them up together, the position correctly. So I'm going to do 1000110, and I'm going to add with 111101, 6 number. 111101. Line them up together. Make sure they in the right position. So let's add together. 0 and 1 equal 1. 1 and 0 equal 1. 1 and 1 equal 1, 0. So you write out 0 and you carry 1 and you put it on top here. And 1 and 1 equal 1, 0, so you write out 0 and you carry 1 over. 1 and 1 equals 0 and you carry 1 over. 1 and 1 equal 1, 0, so you carry 1 over. And 1 and 1 equal 1, 0. All right, so that is the addition of binary numbers. All right, let's do another example. Later on, we're gonna check to make sure that the decimal equivalency is the right one. But right now, just adding together first. All right, so example number 2. So I'm gonna write out again 1, 1, 1, 0. And the other one, you got 5 digits, so you put out 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. All right, line them up together correctly. And 1 and 0 equal 1. 1 and 0 equal 1. And 1 and 1 equal 10 or 1, 0. I'd write out 0 and carry 1. 1 and 1 and 1 equal 1 and carry 1. 1 and 1 equal 10, 1, 0. Okay, so that is the answer for the second example. Let's look at the third example. In the third example, you got a decimal binary. The decimal binary. So the fractional part of it, make sure that line them up correctly. So you got the first one is 1011.10. The fractional part, make sure right correctly on the same position, 0, 1, and then 1, 1. So line them up together just like a decimal numbers. So 1 and 0 equal 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1 equal 1, 1 and 0 equal 1. Make sure binary part. bring it down. 1 and 1 equal 0, carry 1. 1 and 1 and 1. 3 of them equal 1, 1. So you carry 1. 1 and 0 equal 1. And then 1. All right, so make sure that do exactly the same like decimal. Line them up together correctly and just add the digits in a correct position. Okay, so those are two examples. You got to do it. Now, in this example, we do the same thing, but we want to make sure that we check by using the decimal arithmetics. So make sure they are, we're going to verify the answer by using the decimal addition. So let's write out again 1, 1, 0, 1, and 1 and 0, 1. All right, so the equivalency of this one is you got 1, 2, 4, 8. So the answer, the first one is 4 and 8 equal 12. 12 and 1 equal 13. All right, and down here you got 2, 1, 2, 4. So you got 5, the second part. All right, so when you add together, if you have a correct answer, it should be 18. Your answer should be 18. All right, so let's add these two numbers, and then we're gonna verify by using the decimal. So 1 plus 1 equal 10, 0, carry 1, put that 1 here. 1 and 0 plus 0 and plus 0 equal 1, and 1 and 1 equal 10, carry 1, and 1 and 1 equal 10. All right, so we're gonna verify this to make sure its number is 18. So you got here 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So you don't have to worry about this one. So 16 plus 2 equal 18. So you verify this one and you say, yeah, it is 18. So this one is a correct answer. All right, so it's always good to verify. Sometimes you might line them incorrectly, so it's good to verify by using the decimal addition. Okay, so that one is the addition of decimal and addition of binary. All right, so do another example like that. You add 3 numbers together and check by using the decimal arithmetics. So line them up together correctly. The first one is you got 5 digits, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. The other one you got 4 digits, 1, 1, 1, 1. And the third one you got 4 digits, 1, 0, 1, 1. All right, so let's do slowly to make sure that you have it. Let's add together first. So 3 number 1 adding together equal 1, 1. So you write out 1 and you carry 1 on top like that. And 1 and 1 and 1 equal 1, you carry 1. 1 and 1 equal 10, you carry 1. Okay, make sure this one now you got 4 number 1s over here. So you put down, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 of them. So you put down 0 and you carry 10, but carry the 2 position to your left. So you carry 0 here and you carry 1 over here. Now 1, write out 1 here, and 1, write out 1 here. All right, so when you have a 4 ones adding together, you carry 0 and 100. That means you put down number 1, 2 position to your left. Okay, so this one is carry 2 position to your left. All right, so now let's say the equivalency. So you got here is 1, 8, 9, 9 and 16 equal 25. So this one equal 25. And this one you got 1 plus 2 equal 3, 3 and 4 equals 7, 7 and 8 equal 15. So this one you got 1, 2 equal 3, 3 and 8 equal 11. So you're adding together, see correct or not. 5 plus 5 equal 10, 10 plus 1 equal 11, carry 1, 1 plus 2 equal 3, 3, 4, 5, so 51. Now you want to check whether it's a 51 here or not. I'm going to use different color over here. So you say 1, 2, 4 here, but you don't have to add here, but you don't have to do this one. So we don't have to add this one. So you got 16 and you got 32. So 32 plus 16 equal 48, 48 and 3 equal 51. So this one equal 51 and it's correct. So you circle two numbers and they are correct. So you verify that by the decimal number and it is correct. All right, so you got to do all those example on page 45 and 46. All right, so actually you have to do 46, 45, you don't have to do it. All right, and then be careful with when you got four number one as together, what you're gonna do. So let me give you one example in that so you can understand how it works. All right, so you got, let's do a different color here. Let's do this one, erase this. So if I have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, let's say 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's add together like this, all right? So four number one add together, you carry 0, all right? And but you carry 2 position to your left. So I'm gonna use the red color. The carry one I use using different color. Let's say the green color. All right, so I carry 1 here. All right, instead of put down in the first position, you put the 3 position to your left. All right, or you can add 0 here if you want to. Okay, and then you say 1 plus 1 equal 10, 10 plus 1 equal 11, or you say 1. Write out different color. You write out 1 here. And then you carry 1. Now you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 number ones together. So you equal 0 and carry 1 over here, all right? And 1 equal 10. Carry 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 make it 11. All right, so that is your answer. Now, when you have 4 number ones together, everybody, make sure that carry over. You put down 0 over here and carry 1 or 2 position to your left. All right, so let's check the answer. You make sure that it's correct or not. I'm gonna use different color that do the green color. All right, so let's look at this one. So you got 1, 4 equal 1 plus 4 equal 5, 5 and 13, 13 and 16, 29. So I write out 29 for the first one. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 and 4, 7, 7 and 8 equal 15. So second one equal 15. And this one is 1 and 2 equal 3. 1 and 2 equal 3. And you add together, see what happened here. 9 and 5 equal 14. 14 and 3, 17. 17 and 3. 17 and 3 equal 20. Carry 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4. 4 and 1 equal 5. So 50 is your answer. All right, we're gonna check this one. So you got 2 here, 4, 8, 16, and 32. So 32 and 16 equal 48. 48 plus 2 equal 50. So the answer is correct. All right, make sure that verify your answer by adding the decimal number together and check whether your answer is correct or not before you hand it in. So when you have a homework, indicate that you need to check using the decimal arithmetic, then you have to write out everything necessary for your homework. Okay, and I'm gonna talk about subtraction. So in subtraction of the binary number, we have to look at the rule first. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. And 1 minus 0 equals 1. And 10, which is 2, minus 1 equal 1. So always remember that. Okay, those are the rule that we have to follow. So let's look at two numbers here. 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's give a different color. You got 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So let's do the subtraction. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. And 1, right, bring it down. Doesn't have anything to subtract with, so you bring it down. Okay. Let's say you have another example. 1, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 1. So 1 minus 1 equals 0, that is okay. But 10 cannot minus, 0 cannot minus 1, so you borrow from here. Borrow from here, that means 1. Okay, 1 minus 1, you borrow from here, so you got 10 now. 10 minus 1, cut that, do again. I'm going to give you another example. You got 1, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 1 subtract 1 equals 0. And you have 10 cannot, 0 cannot minus 1, you borrow 1, we call 10. All right, if you borrow 1 from here, then it's this no longer 10, but equal 1. Okay, I gonna cross this one, and I put that 1 over here. All right, so 10 minus 1 equal 1, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so the answer is 10. And you can double check later on, but let's, well, you can do it right now. Let's double check this one. So you got 1 plus 1 plus 8 equal 9, so this is 9. And 1 and 2 equal 3, 3 and 4 equals 7. So 9 minus 7 equal 2. So this is 1 and 2 over here. So this answer is correct. 10 equal 2. So 2 and 2 is correct. All right, so let's do another example. It has, you have to borrow the number in there. So when you subtract the binary number, make sure that you borrow from the next digits. So the borrowing is needed in case 0 subtract 1. So let's do this problem. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, subtract 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So 0 cannot subtract 1, but you borrow 10 from this one. So when you borrow 10, you got 0 left over here. So 10 minus 0, right? Your 10 minus 1 equal 1. And then 0 minus 0 equals 0. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. Now 0 cannot subtract 1, so you borrow 10 from there. So 10 minus 1 equal 1. Since you borrow 10 from here, so you got 1 left. 1 minus 1 equal 1. Same thing over here. 10 you borrow 1 from here, so you got 1 minus 1 equals 0. So another way of looking this one is you can split it up by two parts. 1 0 0 0, that means number 8, and 1 1 1, that means 7. So 8 subtract 7 equal 1. This is two consecutive binary numbers, right? So 0 you cannot subtract 1, so you borrow from here. So you got 10 over here. 10 minus 1 equal 1. And now 100, that means 4 minus 3. You got this, you got to borrow from here already, so you got 1, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. So you borrow 1 from here, so 1 minus 1 equals 0, the same thing. And 10 minus 1 equals 1, and you borrow, so you this one no longer 1 but 0. 0 subtract 0 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So you can see the two consecutive number, 1 0 0 0 subtract 1 1 1, or 1 1 0 subtract 1 0 1. So you can see that the answer are the same right here. Okay, so when you're subtracting the binary number, make sure that you borrow. When you borrow 10, that means 2, you borrow 1, you got 1 left over. All right. So you got to practice on those problems and you can get used to it. Okay, now we're going to talk about multiplication number. So I'm going to go in here and look at a couple rules first. 0 times, I'm going to write out here, 0 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 1 equals 0. All right, and 1 times 0, the same thing, equals 0. And then 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. All right, let's look at the number here. I'm going to give you one example. Let's say if you have, get a different color here. So if you have 1 0 1 0 0 1 multiplied by 1 1, okay? So when multiplied by 1, they are the same, so I'm just write out 1 0 0 1. Okay, second digits, when I multiply by second digits, I move one place to your left. So the same thing, 1 0 0 1. All right, and then you add together, you got 1 1 0 1 and 1. All right, so this is normal thing, but what would happen if you have 4 digits on number 1? Be careful on that when you add together. So let's give you another example. 1 1 1 0 multiplied by 1 1 1. Let's do that one first, and then 1 time everything the same thing. So I just write out 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. And then I add together 0, 1, 1 and 1 equal 2 or 10. Carry 1 over. I'm going to make different color here. Carry 1 over. So you got 4 number 1 over here. When you add together, you have to equal 100. 4 is equal 100. So I put out 0 and I carry 100 two places, 1 over here and 1 over here. All right, so now you can add 0 plus 1 equal 10 and carry 1. So you got 3 number 1 here, 1 1 1. You add together equal 1 1. All right, and the answer is 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. Let's check out the arithmetic to make sure that is the equivalent decimal is correctly indicated. So let's say this one. So you got 248. That mean 248. That mean 18. I mean 24. You got 248. That mean 14. And you got here 1 1 1. That means you got 7. 1, 2, 4. That means you got 7. 7 times 4, 28. Carry 2. 7 times 1 equals 7 plus 2 equals 9, 98. So we want to check the equivalency of this decimal binary number into decimal. We check in different color here. Let's say the green color. Look at this 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. All right, so don't have to do this one. 0, 0, don't have to worry about that. So you add this together, 64 and 32 equal 96. 96 plus 2 equal 98. So the answer is correctly done. Okay, so multiplication is very simple. The only thing you worry about is adding them together. All right, let's talk about one more problem here. So 101, so when I multiply 1, I write out the same thing. You don't have to think about it. And 0, I do the same thing, 0, 0, 0. All right, how many? 4 digits, 0. So the second digits move one place to your left, but the third digits move to the right. So you another 1, as you got 1, 0, 0, 1. So now you're adding together. You got 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, this is mixture that moves one places the first one and 2 places the second one when you do the multiplication. All right, check this one. So make sure that correctly answer. So you got 1 and 8 equal 9. This is 9. And this is 1 and 4 equal 5. 5 times 9 equal 45. All right, so you got, do a different color here. So you got here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32, I write out 32 over here. All right, so this one, don't worry about that. So you multiply by 32 plus 8 equal 40. 44 plus 1 equal 45. So 45 is the correct answer, and you make sure verify into decimal equivalency. All right, so you guys, you just work on that basic arithmetic for binary numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Oh, we have to talk about division next. And then do some homework on those pages, which I will mention that on Canvas. I'm going to write out the numbers so that you can submit it this week homework assignment. All right, let's talk about division next. We have one extra multiplication here. Let's do this one. So 4 number 1 together. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. So then you just add together 1. 1 and 1 equals 0. Carry 1. So make sure the different colors so you can see it. Okay, carry, you got 4 number 1 here. So the answer is carry 0 here and 1 over here. So 4 number 1 equal 0 again, and carry 1 over here and 0 over here. And 4 number 1s again, carry 1, carry 0 here, 0 here, and 1 over here. So 3 number 1 add together equal 1, and carry 1, and 3 number 1 make it 11, which is 3. All right, so you know this is 2, 1 and 2 equal 3, 3 and 2 is 7, 7, 8 equal 15. So 15 times 15, you multiply together equal 225. So make sure 225 over here. So this one is 1, all right, you don't have to worry about this one. 2, 4, 8, 16, you got 32, 64, and 128. 128 plus 64 equal 192, 192 plus 32, 192 plus 32 and plus 1. We got 5, 9, and 3 equal 2, 225. So 225 the answer. So this one and this one is correct. Okay, so basically multiplication is you got to worry about, got to pay attention on addition. That's all you need to do. All right, I'm gonna talk about division. Let's do two number in division over here. Long division of binary number. So let's start with 100 going to 101. All right, think about it. You got 3 digits for the divisor. You have to have a 3 digits for the dividend. So you got 1 time. So to write out 1 time 100 equal 100, and you subtract equal 1. And you bring 0 down. 100 cannot go to 10, so you put down 0. And then you bring down this one, and 100 go to 100 equal 1. So 101, all right? And then you swap equals 0. All right, so make sure that this one is 4 and 16 equal 20. So that means 20 divided by, this one is 4. So 20 divided by 4 equal 5. 5 times 4 equal 20. So make that this one is 5. So this is 2, this is 1 and 4 equal 5. So the answer is correct, 5. All right, so that's a division. Do another example. What happens if you have a decimal here? You got to bring up the binary point. Don't say decimal point. Binary point, bring up the binary point. And you say 10 go to 10 equal 1. You subtract equals 0, and you bring 0 down. So 10 cannot go to 0 equals 0, and bring 1 down. 10 go to 1 equals 0 again, and bring this one down, and then 10 go to 10 equal 1. And that is your answer. So the long division is just like a decimal division. Make sure lighten up the binary point correctly, and then do the division. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful week to get this assignment done, arithmetic of the binary numbers. Some of you, if you need some one-on-one, you can go to Turing Center, or you can email or contact me in team, and I can help you with that. All right, have a good week, and I will post the assignment on Canvas. Make sure that do it in your book. Take a copy, take a photo, and submit it via Canvas. All right, I hope you all have a good week. Bye-bye.